My name is Lorenzo, aka Big Lozo.
And welcome to Lozo Giggles.
Alright, so we're like 100 miles out from El Paso, Texas, so we're almost out of Texas now. This is, I don't even know, McAllister's, a different drive-through. I mean, different gas station. I said drive-through because it said drive-through, but still working on him using the bathroom. I think he's just too nervous. He don't understand what's going on. There's a lot happening right now. Leave it. Good boy. Are you ready to go back to the car? All right, come on. So look, the store clerk gave him a milk bone. He's just so scary, bro. He's just so scary. She gave him 2, but I'm gonna let him enjoy that. I'm gonna have to clean back here, but he looked big small. It's so weird, but we're about to be out, so catch y'all the next scene. Forgot Kendrick gonna take my money if I start making money. But we still in mother effing Texas, bro. I thought we was almost out of Texas. We are still in Texas. We got like 147 miles. So that's like 2 hours. But that boy's still holding down. Look, y'all, just middle of nowhere, bruh. I don't know what this is. But it's like a fence. I don't know what's going on over there. But we out here trying to get him to use the bathroom again. We're like 0 for 6. Drove 2 for 2. 2 for 3, I think, actually. I think one time he didn't use it. Watch for snakes. Oh, shoot. Look, y'all. It's a nice little, come on. Come on. It's a nice little area though, for real. Come on. Shoot, I'm trying to find me a snake, man. I'm trying to see something. Yo, why do you walk in front of me? Dang. Look, right in front of me. Kick him enough times, he gonna learn. Stop. 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 Stop walking in front of my feet, bruh. Let's see if he'll climb these rocks. Actually, fuck no. Because there might be some snakes in that jump. But, look. There's a bunch of mountains and flat land. But we almost there. We got like, I think like 8 hours left. So get out of Texas, bro. We just gotta get out of Texas. Come on. Bruh, stop walking in front of me. Stop, move. Dang. You're gonna kill me. Look. Stop. Why you keep doing that? No, I'm not carrying your big self. I want him to wander so he can pee. But he's so terrified just under me. Like, bro, I don't know where I'm at. I was with some dude with long dreads, and now I'm with you. You keep stopping. We had these random stuff. Ain't nothing around. Stop. Look, right in front of me. But I'll come back to y'all in a little bit. What you doing up there? What you doing up there? Crazy boy. No, this way. Come on. Yo, Chad, look at El Paso. It look like a whole little city. This all look dope down there, big. We about 6 hours and 45 minutes from home. Oh, man. Mesa Street. Wow, I know these streets now. Look at this. I know Mesa. I don't know if it goes to Mesa, but I know Mesa. But we stay in tune. We'll be there soon. Alright, as y'all see, we is currently in the mountains. Like we is in the mountains. And it's because of an accident on the 10 or something. We couldn't go down the 10 at all. So we're driving through the mountains on the 70 right now. Look at my ETA now. 10 o'clock. This is some buzz. Oh my God, I see red lights. Oh no. I don't see no traffic on my thing. Maybe it's been a little minute since some cars came.
It is a narrow road.
Oh man, we just trying to get home, y'all. This
I'm trying to go to bed, take a shower, eat.
We're supposed to have been there in like 2 hours, and now it's 3 and a half.
Like an hour, like 1 hour left.
Yeah, this is crazy. So, check back in. Oh, y'all want to see what he doing? Yeah, I ain't gotta worry. This man sleep, tucked in nice, like all the way asleep. But look at this views. Look, this is oh, there you go. Look at this, yo. This is crazy. We is in the mountains, like in them. But I'll check back into y'all once we get hopefully home. Look, chat. I mean, I keep saying chat to y'all. Look, y'all. I don't know where we at, but there's some civilization out here, you know? People living, you know, this little, what's this, a club?
Little bar?
A little bar. Might see some tatas. Oh, real quick. Yo, shout out to all the new subscribers. Yo, this man dropped a video. I'm not even home yet. And y'all are going crazy. Like, crazy. I appreciate it for real. Like, for real. But we got about 3 hours left and we'll be home. So I don't know what I'm gonna check back in because I don't know. Just stick around. You'll find out when I check back in. Or if y'all keep watching for me to check back in. That's how, yeah. Look, y'all. It's like a whole carnival right here. If y'all wondering how much gas is, $2.85. But look. Like what? In the shopping center, just random. I guess it's not random for them. Maybe this is a yearly thing for them. I don't know. I think it said Thrasher. I don't know. I never heard of Thrasher, Arizona, but I think that's where we at. Ooh, Tractor Supply. Good old Tractor Supply. All right, y'all. Be back. Chat, I can't show you too much, but we made it home. I'm gonna walk in here and then I'll get some footage of their reaction to meeting it. See, first the family's reaction and then the dog's reaction. Give me a second. So this is done. What you think? What's up, man? He over here hiding already. He a little chicken shit.
Really?
Yeah. Don't let him jump on you. His nails are really long. Like, they scratched long. He don't know what to do. You want to see a dog?
Explore.
Give me 1 second. Let me let Harley out first. Yeah. This is probably his first time peeing in what? 6 hours, 10 hours? He wouldn't go outside. Where's the Swifty? Come here. Ats, come here. Harley. She wants to play.
What are you doing?
He's so submissive. It's a baby. Hi, Harley.
It's like this way, bro.
Try to come in. Be a good boy. It's a baby.
You want it?
Cha-cha, it's a baby. Oh, he playing and everything. Hold up. I thought he was gonna be scared of T'Challa. I also didn't know how T'Challa was gonna react. His hair's sticking up, but I feel like he's just curious. No growling. His tail is moving, it's not straight. Come here. Don't you do it. Well, that's dumb, guys. Y'all seen their reaction. I'm about to eat. So, this is the end of this journey. Y'all done seen this long ass trip. I will break it down fully later for you guys, but for right now, this is it. Until next time, we is out.